You are going to love the 2013 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, electronic stability control, power liftgate, four-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.